Guide to the new functions of the Ricoh Pro 8300 series. Multiple options. The new finisher takes full advantage of the printer's high productivity and media capabilities. The top shift tray can hold up to 1,000 sheets, the bottom up to 3,500 sheets, enabling non-stop printing. The booklet finisher supports saddle stitching up to 30 sheets. The new air-assisted cover interposer tray can handle continuous feeding of coated and thick paper to create various types of booklets. The new ring binder is smaller and supports thicker paper, suitable for textbooks and manuals. The new compact finisher can stack up to 3,000 pages and supports side stitching and saddle stitching. Combined with the main unit, the total length is under 1,800 millimeters. The new shift sort tray is even more compact. The length combined with the main unit is only 1,540 millimeters, allowing installation in limited spaces. Media capability. Carbonless paper can be printed double-sided for transactions, check sheets, and more. Double-sided printing on thick coated banner sheets, perfect for brochures. A wider range of color paper is supported with the new contact image sensor. Using the media management tool, settings can be created and edited easily from a PC across multiple devices. Main unit. Equipped with VCSEL laser beam technology for high resolution that delivers high-definition photos, smooth gradation, and accurate text printing. With the new auto recovery function, multi-fed sheets are shunted to the purge tray, allowing the system to recover automatically and continue printing without operator intervention. Improved usability. The new 17-inch touch panel screen, powered by Android OS, allows easy and intuitive machine operation and print settings. Supports software applications that provide improved functionality. Expand your possibilities. Ricoh Pro 8300 series.